Bro, you said daddy first.
If I'm hungry, I will get 10 chewing gum and put in my mouth.
समुद्र काफी खतरनाक, you know that. The sea is like not predictable. Without you, the world is dark.
No, that's too much, bro. You can do like this, but not like this. I didn't push him, I picked him.
And अस्सलामुअलैकुम 10:30 in the morning. मैं अभी उठा हूँ, फजर के बाद सोया हूँ, तो मेरे कुछ घंटे की और नींद है. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, जो ब्लैबरिंग कर रहा हूँ, मुझे खुद नहीं पता that what I'm saying.
Just ignore me.
Check the clouds out, how grey it is, and if you can hear, there is like a little bit of thunderstorm sound, and the condition is completely wet, which means that कि यहाँ पर पिछले आधे घंटे से बारिश हो रही है. अभी जाके रुकी जब मैं बाहर आया हूँ, but अगले 1-1.5-2 घंटे बारिश होने वाली है. Why I am being a news reporter telling you guys about the weather report मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Because this vlog is about the weather. By the title, you guys should know that we are going to a beach, a famous beach in Canada. और इस weather में बीच में जाना पागल वाला काम है.
We are crazy.
तो अगर हम लोग गए, वहाँ पर बारिश हुई, इंटरेस्टिंग. हम गए, वहाँ पर बारिश ना हुई, फिर भी इंटरेस्टिंग. और अगर एंड पे हम गए ही नहीं, तो फिर ये वीडियो आएगी नहीं.
All this crazy nonsense.
54 grams of...
Look at this. And this.
Bro,
Even my camera can't focus on you. You know that, right?
this one is good. Ultra sunrise is good actually.
Bro,
A good alternative.
there's your picture on this, bro.
No, I can't. I can't promote these for free, man. Come on. First of all, I don't endorse these. Secondly, I can't. You only had one job. Still, you guys can't. No, it's not. What the hell?
Bro is
You know,
trying
it's
to
like-
roast us and we are like,
It's like whenever you turn on the camera, the desi daddies come and like,
Bro, you said daddy first.
What a funny, dirty little line.
Allahu Akbar. My turn will come.
Bro.
No matter how many times you look at the camera, you still look shit.
That's a reality.
This one, is it 0? Yeah, this is good. This is good. I told him like,
don't
zero.
get
Go for 0. Go for 0. Go for 0. Go for 0.
this
Go
one
for
has
0.
calories, bro.
No, 0. Same. The taste is different. This one is more closer.
Say yes or no. Don't try
Yes,
to find
yes.
them.
No,
Yeah.
this tastes more closer to the actual one.
Yes,
That's the
that is not. That's a bit different. They are thinking that we got the stuff and we are thinking that they are getting the stuff. In the end, no one's getting the stuff.
Genius, genius.
And we just carry the coke to the counter.
That makes
I'm
a lot of
100% sure it's going to be like
I
that.
would suggest Harry to spend today. Because
Go. I want to see you suggest. We were supposed to be leaving at 10:30 and then it became 11:30 and then 12 and right now it's going to be 1 and we're still at Walmart.
certain plans are always the best plans.
No certain plans. We don't even know what the plan is
we
right now.
planned it for like 3-4 hours yesterday, bro.
Yes. 12:28 and we are still here. The only thing we got so far is the ball and one snack and this and this.
Up to you guys. Like any
This.
preference?
And replay. Gay.
Finally, after 20 minutes of Walmart shopping, we got 4 stuff.
भाई क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं भाई.
No, this guy's losing something. क्या हुआ?
Hey, you took it?
No,
See, wallah, you guys took it.
which one?
Inside this thing.
You gave it like this.
Bro, you just gave it to me like this, bro.
I say wallah.
I thought you did intentionally, bro.
Some say bro, I don't have it. No, I swear I don't have it.
Did you put all 10 of it in your mouth?
No, I swear.
And then
No.
the thing is lying in
You
Walmart,
put
bro.
all...
No, I swear.
Or did you just... Bro, so we paid for just fucking...
most expensive.
No, I said wallah. I No, I'm not joking. I'm not absolutely not joking.
In my
Epra teriyo vata.
Fuck your opera, bro. I did the Walmart.
Bro, you can be honest, bro, that you...
I'm being honest right now.
Bro, if you're hungry, just say it, so it's okay.
If I'm hungry, I will get 10 chewing gum and put in my mouth.
Wow, you're smart.
Who knows, bro? Maybe you want to look.
No, it's not
Smell
going to be.
good.
I will say stop it. I think it's not going to be funny. Trust me.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Now, this is typical South Indian behavior. You open the door for him, but not for us.
That's racism.
You want to say anything on the camera for this? Come on.
I did it intentionally.
Bro, trust me. He's only been drinking for a month now, and he's like, he can't live without it.
Bro, it's high in sodium, bro. I want the usual one, bro.
Any opinion on that?
That one just takes 50 something. Bro, just put that on my face.
Bro, Why look so handsome, bro? Look at
Born
your chest.
that way, born handsome.
Bro, look at your chest here, bro.
Why is it harassing me?
Bro, why are you shying, man? Done with praying. Can we get coffee? उसके बाद फिर आगे चलेंगे. एक छोटा सा pit stop, नमाज़ ही पढ़ ली और ये भी एक कॉफ़ी शॉफी इसको लेनी है ले लो. इसके बाद यहाँ से अराउंड 30 minutes 45 minutes का बीच का रास्ता है. No, I thought about the hair, man. Sorry, that's a cap?
Cab, bro.
Oh, sorry. I was like, that's hair. Come on.
Bro, you live with him, bro.
And Harish is the male version of Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga?
Oh, why this, bro? Hey, इधर गिरा था वाला रहा.
Yeah. Box screen
That's
डालना
too
था.
small, bro.
All the Tamil that I don't understand.
Bro.
Box
Chris,
screen.
क्या
Sorry,
चीज़ है?
sorry. You guys got shots? Stick your chips and stuff, man. Come on.
अभी दो ले भाई.
Say it again. नहीं. Let's go. We are here in Wasaga Beach, right? Yeah, Wasaga Beach.
You're going to the beach?
Not yeah, beach. You know what?
चलो कोई शर्म वरम नाम की कोई चीज है तुम में?
Have some dignity, bro. I think
Oh, look who's talking.
Oh, you got offended. Let's play cricket.
No, bro, don't.
And here we are at the beach. मुझे चलना काफी मुश्किल हो रहा है क्योंकि मेरे स्लीपर से पाँव निकल रहे हैं. हाँ, I think I said it right. So, मेरा बैग उठा के ले गया, so it's easy for me. But here we are. इतने crowded नहीं है आज यार. And it's true कि sunny है. So, उन 3 बातों में से एक बात सच्ची हो गई. हम आए और वेदर भी अच्छा है.
Oh shit! Stop! Arey, get it! You guys! Fuck you guys! Oh! I can't do it. Nice. Oh, still, bro.
Oh my God!
Oh, that one!
Hit! Oh, back! Nice! Oh, nice! Hurry! Stay front! Oh, God! Wait. No, up! Kick. Bro! Hurry, please. Bro! Yes! Bro, hand! No, it's simple. Bro, it's not two sides, okay? It's just one side. So obviously we eat from half. You test that. Right here.
Showtime.
Hey!
Not bad. Now you.
Oi! Grab it! Again, one more time. Hey!
Oh, it's alright?
से थक गया फुटबॉल खेल के यार. Let's get into the water. The water is too dirty. You can see. Bring the tennis ball. पानी काफ़ी डर्टी है, so I don't think कुछ भी हम लोग ले सकते हैं. And ये बात है कि पानी वहाँ तक एंड तक ना मतलब सीधा फ्लैट है. I know when my mom watched this vlog, वो बोलेंगे कि कितनी बार बोला है पानी के अंदर मत जा. पेरेंट्स हमारे जो है ना इनको वो है कि समुद्र काफ़ी खतरनाक. You know that the sea is like not predictable. It can take you anytime anywhere. So unless you know how to swim, which I know, but my parents don't believe that. They're like नहीं समुद्र का ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है वगैरह. So they are, I know, caring for me, but Yeah, if she saw this vlog, she's gonna say a lot of stuff to me. But never mind. अब जो है वो है. इंशाल्लाह आराम से घर पहुँचेंगे. अच्छी तरीके से दुआ करो बस यार. So yeah. You see, I'm still walking और कितना पीछे रह गया. But still, it is like until my what? Or even ankle right now. Not cold, not hot, nothing. You can even see the person walking over there.
Oh shit, yeah, बस वो ज़्यादा दूर है भाई, इतनी दूर नहीं जाने का. तो इस
मेरे पास goggles तो मैं swim कर ले, goggles नहीं दिखता नहीं है. अरे! Your shots have nada? Wanted to make sure.
What is your plan?
Go out for a while. Not like this asshole. I can hear them. Been waiting like for what?
half an hour.
Yep, exactly. Half an hour.
आधा घंटा ज़्यादा ही बैठ करेंगे.
I think there's one good thing about Canada is at this time it's not sunset.
हाँ.
Like in summertime you can last until 9 and like still like enjoy the whole day. क्योंकि हांगकांग में सबसे लेट कब तक होता है? 7:30 max.
हाँ, वो भी peak summer.
Peak होता है exactly 7:30 के बाद it's gonna be dark no matter what. What is that guy doing? Bro, any shame you got? Like, you know, we've been waiting for about half an hour.
No bro, not half an hour.
At least 30 minutes. No, but you know, with the 20 minutes. At least 20 minutes.
Aris came and he wanted his own photos, bro.
Betrayal.
Come into the light.
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
And just for photos, we are going back after putting the stuff in the car. Just for photos. Just for photos. But look at the sunset. Like, sunset तो नहीं अभी 2 घंटे रहते हैं 7 बजने. But still the reflections look so sexy. Sorry.
आप करना गुस्से में इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ.
But yeah, let's take some pictures and then probably gonna head back. I don't even know. But let me show you guys the whole view of the beach right now. It's so beautiful. So ये ना reflection आ रहा है ना sea पे. That's the best thing. Love it. So let's click some awesome pictures, some photos, and probably gonna post it on IG. I don't know if it look good then. Yeah. वरना मैं तो शर्ट में हूँ तो मैं तकरीबन रोज ही पहनता हूँ and एक ट्राउजर्स है जो एक साइड से फटा हुआ है. Barely after a day in the beach. People can't walk. Look at their faces. Sure? No, it is.
No. It's a Civic, bro.
What lost it? Oh shit, fuck. Oh. No, I swear I didn't know.
Yeah, I know. Because
Oh. That was on our car. I was laying on that, thinking it's our car, and even tried to open the door. Thank God it done, you know, have the alarm and stuff. Bro, you look so good. You're finally visible. But it's barely now because it's sunset. But man, still we love you. So don't go home and cry. Say something for the camera, man. Camera daddy.
The reason why I'm not saying is because there's a camera.
Without you, the world is dark.
No, the world is.
Light, yeah, that's light. Your house. Okay, sorry. He recognized you.
No, he's like.
He recognized you. So because we just saw football court. No, football courts. Yeah, it's courts, man. Come on, I need 4. So we decided to just stop by and play. How smart are we? No, actually the grass feels so good actually.
Kind of cold though.
No, the thing, yeah, it looked like morning. You know, like early morning.
Early morning.
Exactly.
It's actually well maintained
6, 7
as well,
a.m.
bro.
Yeah, and it looked like in the movies
Bro,
when they show you early
You
morning.
have to tilt the camera a little bit.
அந்த
Ah,
bigger
yeah, like
படத்துல
this.
காலையில
Too
வரும்
short.
Huh?
Too short.
Oh, it's fine. I'll still cut the line.
பிகில் படத்துல
अरे क्या क्या करूं मैं इसका क्या करूं
Okay, that's too small.
let one ball be there.
Yo. Okay. Yo, Harish. Keep going. Shoot. Shoot. Now. Goal. Go. Good. Oh, fuck you. Take it, bro.
Milu, nice fair touch.
Bro. Yeah. Take it. Nice. Oh, shit.
Blood,
Go,
he's
go,
yours,
go.
he's yours. Blood, go near. Oh, nice!
Left play, okay. Aja. Okay.
Pass.
Up, bro, it's good.
Let's go. I know, it's good.
Go, keep going. Good.
Oh.
Ready? Keep going. Go.
Pass பண்ண மாட்டான்.
Bro, this one. Bro, he was like this.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
You can do like this, but not like this. I didn't push him, I picked him. No, bro. It's allowed in. Bro, don't do that aggressively, bro. You can do it. But be fair, that's it. You didn't push him, bro, but you are like this, bro. You're not even letting him inside.
Start. Okay, Harish.
Show 'em what you got.
Tera, mark.
Kick.
Tera. Got it.
No.
That's a goal.
No, yaar, Papa.
No, sin.
Okay, game is over, right?
That was payback.
Technically the vlog should be ending over here. अगर गाड़ी के अंदर कुछ हुआ तो मैं इससे पहले डाल दूंगा, but मैं इस बीच पे वापस जाते वक्त I'm gonna end my vlog. Like, I think that's enough. That's enough for today. You saw some fun moment, you saw some boring moment, you saw some weird moment. So whatever you saw, if you like it, just like it. If you want to subscribe, then subscribe, and if you don't want, then it's fine. Just enjoy it. और मिलते हैं अगली बार, तब तक के लिए Allah Hafiz. Oh, this looked good, man. Yeah, Allah Hafiz.